Hello everyone! So, as a continuation of the review I did for the Syntony in Polish Zirk, I took with me to work the Syntony in polished stainless steel that I got from NX EDC a few days ago, and I'm going to open it now with you and see how it is. Just as always, let's do it like I should. Some close-ups. If anyone wants to Google Lens it or something. Travel knifey. Travel knifey. When you are away from home, everyone should have a travel knifey. So, open it real quick. Just like the Polish Zirk. CHENYU sticker and quality certification. CHENYU. A whole slew of things, just like the zirconium one, like a tool and this thing to make it into a necklace, some bolts, pretty cool stuff. I'm gonna put it to the side, and this is the fidget itself, the Syntony in polished stainless steel. And let's open it up and see. So, you know what, as always, just let me be a little more organized and then place it here. Now, close up, if I may. Beautifully done, just like the Zirk. Actually, not actually, but absolutely what I was expecting and more. It's hefty because it's stainless steel. Very good shine on it. So let's try it with you for the very first time ever. Close-up time. Love the machining. Nice and loud sound to those who like it. Feel absolutely solid, and again, quite cheap. I can't remember now, but for something this high quality, I'm absolutely astounded that no one talks about this little thing more. Like, I also bought the PC one that I ordered here, but I don't know if I'll have a chance to do it here at work. Kind of a busy day today. I have like 15 minutes left for my shift. No, it's not a shift, it's a full-time job, but you know. It's more than a full-time job. I work 10 hours a day, but I love my job, and I thank my guardian angel and God every day for helping me. Syntony. Anyway, beautifully machined. I'm a sucker for polished stainless steel. Polished anything. Polished titanium, stainless steel, zirconium, polished pay. I don't think there's polished pick. But anyway. You can go nuts. You can go nuts and it will absolutely handle it. So, this is the Syntony in polished stainless steel. A beautiful piece, not expensive at all. A great addition to any collection, or if you're somewhere that loudness is not an issue, absolutely EDC. No doubt in my mind, it can be done. Again, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you on the next video that will be on the PC version, or polycarbonate version, if you want to be, if you want the full name. So thank you again for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and goodbye for now.